Boy, it sure is a cold day out here on Gagne Farms. It's about a high of 50 degrees today, so it's really chilly. So Candace wanted me to make you guys a big old pot of bean soup. So we're making some navy bean soup today. This is super easy, super quick. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to make this. A couple things I want to explain to you. You got to soak your beans, man. You got to soak your beans. So what we got here is our bowl of beans, navy beans that we had put in the bowl, covered about with 2 inches of water or so, and let them soak overnight. If you can't let them soak overnight, I understand, but put them in the water and let them soak for as long as you can, okay? That's going to make the world of difference, this whole recipe right there. So that's what we're doing. We're just taking our beans and we're going to strain them in our colander. Super simple. We're going to rinse them quick. And while this is rinsing off, I want to tell you guys something. This is a quick bonus feature here, but I'm not sure if everybody knows this. At least around here, you can get bulk navy beans at the elevator. Right now, everybody's out thrashing beans and getting the harvest off the field, and now is a perfect time to go into an elevator and buy bulk beans, a cheap price. They're farm fresh right off the field. You can't get them any better than that, locally grown. I'm sure most places are like that. That's how we get our beans, is we get them in bulk. They're super cheap. They're awesome. I think they even taste a little bit better since they were grown, you know, around us. Maybe it's just me thinking that, but so all right, we got our beans washed out here, rinsed, and you do want to go through and make sure to pick out any bad ones or any of them that you know might be a stick or a rock or something like that. It is an agricultural product is what they say. So, all right, we're going to put our beans into our pot here. And we're just going to put about 6 cups of warm water in here. I just got some warm water. Super simple, guys. I'm telling you. The other things we got is onions from the garden. These are just frozen. You guys see me chop things up and freeze them in little packages like this, and this is exactly how I use them, just like this. So that goes into the pool. And then we've also got our dehydrated carrots. So since this is going in water, I'm not going to reconstitute the carrots. I just take a small handful, you know, how many ever you want. I want a few more than that, actually. And these will cook up nicely with our beans here. All right. Let's see. The other thing is ham. And no, this is not farm-raised ham. I'm sorry. I really wanted it to be, but it's not. This is just store-bought ham, diced up ham. And that goes into the pool. Like so, like so. All right. And then we got salt and pepper. We've got some little bit of salt and pepper here to taste. And I like peppercorns cracked, freshly cracked peppercorns. And like most people, we do use the pink Himalayan salt. Much more tasty, and I kind of like a coarse grind to that as well. And that's it, guys. Turn this puppy on. We're going to get her heating up, get her going a little bit. We're going to give this guy a stir quick. Just get everything incorporated. Real simple. How simple is that, guys? So I will keep an eye on this. You may want to make sure it doesn't scorch. You need to let this simmer for a couple hours. And since you've soaked your beans, this doesn't take as long to cook. So you don't need to, you know, cook the pot of bean soup all day long or anything. So I'm going to let this go. We're going to heat this up. I'm going to come back and stir it and show you guys once it's heated up and a little bit more incorporated what it looks like then, okay? All right, we'll be right back. Let's take a look at this navy bean soup real quick, guys. Ooh, that's a hot lid. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Real simple meal right here. The whole point of this was to show you guys how simple it is to throw just a few ingredients in, let it go throughout the day so we can let it cook, boil down, and make a delicious meal afterwards. So this is a super easy navy bean recipe for you guys to try out. It's delicious. Me and Candace just had a bowl. It is awesome. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.